Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a cat? To have 9 ferocious lives? Tonight, 2 teams of 3 shall take battle in Trivial Pursuit. Each competitor must bring their eye of the tiger, as every missed question will cost that competitor 1 of their 3 lives. The only way to win is to wipe out the opposing team, taking all of their 9 lives. But there is a twist. After every round, the team with the least amount of lives will have the opportunity to draw a chance card. But be warned, my kittens. A chance card can either be your saving grace or your descent to the litter box. It's time to play Cat Lives.